Look, I have a beautiful Ludo Snakes and Ladders box. I am excited to play this game. Are you excited?
Yes, we do.
Friends, now I'm going to open this box and enjoy this game. Will you enjoy with me? Look, this is the Ludo game and this is the Snake and Ladders game. This is the dice. This is the pieces which are used to play, and this is the fun fact book. There is a lot of facts given in this book. So friends, I have set up the game. Red will be mine. Yellow will be yours. The game rule is simple. We have to roll the dice. When a 1 or 6 comes, we can move the pieces. And when we get between a ladder, we climb it. And when we get into a snake, we bite and come down. Let's play. Three. Now friends, it's your turn. Two, three, 2, 4, 3, 6. Now it is 6. We can move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 4. Now it's time for me to go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no! I got bitten by a snake and I come all the way down. Ugh. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 5. Oh friends, you won the game. I lost. I'm a bit sad, but it's okay. We have a lot of fun. Next time I will win. Thank you for watching and playing with me. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos and having fun with me. Bye friends, I'll see you in another video.